Hi guys, it's Katie and today I'll be doing my camping inspired makeup. So this whole makeup routine just is pretty much based on camping, and I go on camping so much so it works. So let's get into it. Okay, so first taking a nudes palette from Maybelline, I'm going to be using this. Yeah, here's me deciding on what color I want to use. I'm going to be using this gold color and applying that. Yeah, the struggle is real at the moment. Excuse me, guys. Ugh. So just all over my lid. So taking the same palette, we're going to be using this light, like dark white, brownish color. Okay, yeah, I just accidentally flipped you guys off. I really was not going for that. It just ended up being that way. I was really just showing you guys the color because my hand accidentally dipped into it. So yes, we're just putting that right on top of the gold color. Oof! Right in my eyes, my poor eyes. Ugh. One thing that's funny is my facial expressions at this video. I had this whole video of me and my facial expressions, but sadly I deleted it. Anyways, so taking these two colors, you're going to blend them together all over your lid. Okay, so taking this dark brown color, you're going to put that in your crease. And I actually deleted a lot of me with my facial expressions, which, just to make the video look nice, not gross, you know, gotta delete them. I mean, I would have put them at the end as bloopers, but I felt they would look random. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're not done, obviously, but I just wanted to make that little note. So yes, this is how it should look so far. So using Better Than Sex mascara, we are going to coat our lashes. Think about it, eyeliner would have been a really nice touch to this look. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this camping inspired makeup look. I had so much fun making it for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you all so much. Bye. Okay guys, so the top is from Forever 21, the bottoms are from PacSun, and the flip-flops are from Havanius. So I did include one weird blooper at the end. Enjoy, guys!